So students, today we will learn about food habits of animals. Like all living things, animals need food to live and grow. Different animals eat different kinds of food. We see so many animals around us. Have you observed any animals eating food? What does it eat? Yes, like us, different animals eat different kinds of food. Plant eating animals. Animals such as cows, horses, and deer eat plants. Such animals are called plant eating animals. Have you seen a cow eating grass or a goat eating leaves of the plant? Yes, some animals eat grass, leaves, etc. Basically, the animals eat different parts of the plants. They are known as plant eating animals. Flesh eating animals. Animals such as lions, tigers, and crocodiles eat the flesh of other animals. They are called flesh eating animals. Why are people afraid of lions, tigers, and crocodiles? They are because the lions, tigers, and crocodiles are wild animals that hunt other animals for food. They eat the flesh of other small animals. They are known as flesh eating animals.